Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 Ford F-150 XLT Super Crew. Let's see here. XLT Sport Appearance Pack, 2.6 V6 EcoBoost. Yeah, total price of $53,315. This is the XLT with the Sport Appearance Package. Alright, makes sense. It's like being on the beach. Oh yeah, tons of room. That's really cool. I think this is Detroit. I'm pretty sure that's a street map of Detroit. I don't know if that's part of the Sport Appearance Pack. I'm gonna read the window sticker one more time. See what happens when I walk around the other way of the vehicle? My mind goes. I think it's part of the Sport Appearance Pack. Because there's all like little city maps all over the trim. I don't think they're for the same place. Yeah, there's another one. There's another one. Pretty cool. That is a lot of coin holders. Well, no, that's... You can hold a lot of coin. I thought there was multiple. My bad. Alright. This one also has... Really? We're gonna play this game again? It's a truck. I have to slam the doors. This one has rear brake assist, so you're backing up. Now if this doesn't work, it's just plants. So, say you're backing up. It'll hit the brakes for you if you're about to hit it. It's pretty cool, but if you rely on it, that's not good. The goal is to not rely on your car's safety systems to stop you. That's the goal. Leave the window like that so I can see. this is an awesome vehicle. Honestly, I'm not just saying that 'cause we're trying to sell it. No, I love these things. F-150 is a riot to drive. Not gonna lie, I forgot my turn was here. Yeah, nope. Do this way. Test that differential. Could have made that. Popeyes gets busy at the weirdest time. It's always like 2 o'clock. They're dead before then, but 2 o'clock, everybody gotta get their Popeyes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.